The embattled Supreme Court judge arrived 30 minutes before the time he was invited to appear before the Special Committee of the Judicial Service Commission to present his version on the grand corruption claims leveled against him by Geoffrey Kiplagat. But he could not access the JSC Committee meeting. Unknown to him, his accuser Kiplagat had made his way to the Supreme Court building's boardroom under tight security, and in utmost confidence he is under witness protection after claiming his life was in danger a week after going public with the allegations that have yet again put the judiciary on the spot.
And in particular today, we didn't listen to the complainant, Geoffrey Kiplagat, who is also the petitioner, through the affidavit.
No sooner had Kiplagat disappeared from the Supreme Court boardroom unnoticed than Tunoi, accompanied by his two lawyers Fred Ngatia and Firoz Norji, appeared to submit his side of the story. And for 2 hours, Tunoi defended himself, insisting he neither pocketed the $2 million bribe from Kidero nor had any personal interaction with Kiplagat, and that his woes were fueled by the vicious succession contest in the judiciary as Chief Justice Dr. Willy Mutunga exits the stage in June this year, the Supreme Court judge hammering Kiplagat's integrity and credibility as his main line of defense in dismissing the corruption allegations.
And he also contested a seat for membership of Parliament for Keio South against Jackson Tunoi. When he was defeated, he came to Nairobi, where he has no permanent place to live on, and begs for money and extorts money from various fellows.
Tunoi's legal team opting to keep mum 48 hours before the special JSC committee makes public its findings on the corruption allegations probe. The 6-member committee, led by Professor Margaret Kobia, is expected to conclude its sittings tomorrow to beat the Wednesday deadline.
And we have gathered a lot of information which we now want to listen to more people tomorrow who we believe they have vital information that could help us get to the bottom of this case.
Among the persons invited to appear before the special committee are top spies from the National Intelligence Service (NIS) and officials of mobile phone service providers to help authenticate alleged communication between Tunoi and Kiplagat, and other persons claimed to have played a key role in negotiations for the 200 million shillings bribe.
This particular matter, the JSC Committee is considering all fairness, because what we are simply doing, we are following the due process, which is an established standard within the Commission to investigate and make a decision on matters of this nature.
The special committee is scheduled to present its findings to the full JSC Commission on Wednesday, as directed by the Chief Justice, who also chairs the commission. For 29 years, Justice Phllip Tunoi has been the arbiter in contests involving various litigants. The shoe is clearly on the other foot, and he has to wait until Wednesday to confirm if he will be making that first step in the walk of shame from the judiciary if the corruption allegations against him are confirmed. Francis Gachuri, Special, Nairobi.